Amy Slayton Halterman gives update on having kids with new boyfriend. Amy Slayton Halterman, one of the most recognizable faces from TLC's hit reality series 1000 LB Sisters, has once again stepped into the spotlight, not for her weight loss journey this time, but for something far more personal and heartwarming. Her thoughts on expanding her family with her new boyfriend. After enduring a highly publicized breakup and navigating life as a single mom of two, Amy now seems to be in a different place emotionally and mentally, and fans are eager to know if motherhood will take another turn in her life. E's story. The Kentucky-born reality star first captured hearts with her openness, vulnerability, and humor as she embarked on a life-changing mission with her sister Tammy Slayton to shed pounds and regain control of her health. Over the years, viewers have seen Amy's journey unfold with startling honesty, from her early struggles with weight, to marrying Michael Halterman, and becoming a mother to two beautiful sons, Gage and Glenn. However, the emotional roller coaster didn't end there. The dissolution of her marriage to Michael was difficult, especially under the watchful eye of cameras and a dedicated fan base. But now, it seems, Amy is on the path to a fresh start. Amy's new boyfriend, whose identity has largely remained under wraps to maintain some level of privacy, has been appearing in glimpses across her social media platforms. While Amy hasn't revealed his full name or background, she has shared enough details to suggest that the new man in her life has brought stability, kindness, and a sense of companionship that she deeply values. More importantly, he's formed a positive bond with her children, which is crucial to Amy as she contemplates the possibility of expanding her family once again. During a candid Instagram live session, Amy opened up to fans who were brimming with curiosity about whether she sees more children in her future. "I've always wanted a big family," she admitted. "Even before I had Gage and Glenn, I imagined having a house full of kids, like 4 or 5. But life had other plans, and that's okay. I'm just thankful for the 2 blessings I already have." She paused, smiling into the camera, before continuing. "But yeah, with my boyfriend now, we've talked about it. We've talked about what it might be like to raise a child together." That one sentence was enough to ignite a frenzy among 1000 LB Sisters fans who have followed Amy's story from day one. Social media buzzed with speculation. Was Amy already trying for baby number 3? Would TLC cameras follow this new chapter of her life as closely as they did the others? Was she ready to go through pregnancy again, especially after the physical and emotional toll of her previous experiences? Amy's pregnancies were not without complications. Her journey to motherhood was marked by both joy and concern, as her weight and health history posed significant risks during each gestation period. Despite the challenges, she embraced motherhood with passion and resilience. Fans admired her vulnerability in sharing the highs and lows, doctor visits, ultrasounds, baby showers, sleepless nights, and all. It's no wonder that now, as she hints at possibly having another child, followers feel a deep emotional investment in her decision. But Amy is taking her time. In the same live session, she emphasized the importance of doing things differently this time around. "I've learned a lot," she said. "When I was younger, I jumped into things fast. I didn't always think everything through. But now, I want to make sure that if I have another baby, it's with the right support system, the right mindset, and the right man. And I think I've got that now. I'm not saying it's happening tomorrow or even this year, but it's definitely something we're thinking about." Her boyfriend, while still largely anonymous to the public, has reportedly been incredibly supportive of Amy's role as a mother. Friends close to the couple have shared that he treats Amy's children with love and respect and has embraced a fatherly role with ease. This relationship dynamic has played a huge role in Amy's growing confidence and her willingness to consider expanding her family once again. For a woman who has spent much of her adult life under scrutiny, from internet trolls to television audiences, this newfound support seems to be giving her space to heal and grow. Another factor influencing Amy's decision is her continued commitment to health and wellness. While her journey hasn't been a straight line, Amy has maintained her determination to stay active and prioritize both physical and mental health. "I want to be the best version of me for my kids," she said. "If I have another baby, I want to go into it healthier than I've ever been. I don't just want to survive pregnancy, I want to thrive in it." The 1000 LB Sisters fanbase has always been more than just viewer. They are participants in the journey. Social media reactions to Amy's baby update have ranged from enthusiastic encouragement to thoughtful concern. While some fans are thrilled at the prospect of baby number 3, others have raised questions about timing, health, and stability. Amy, to her credit, has remained open to feedback and has often thanked fans for their concern, even the critical voices, because she understands that people care about her well-being. Adding another layer to the story is the ongoing speculation about whether TLC will document this new phase of Amy's life. The network has not confirmed a new season at the time of writing, but given the public interest and ratings success of past seasons, it seems likely that fans haven't seen the last of Amy on their screens. A potential storyline involving her new relationship, her kids adjusting to a new father figure, and the possible planning of a third child would no doubt be compelling television. However, Amy has expressed some hesitation about fully exposing her personal life once again. In a recent interview with a local Kentucky paper, she said, "Being on TV has been a blessing and a curse. I've gotten to share my story and inspire people, but it also means I've had no privacy. This time, I want to keep certain things just for me and my kids. I'm not saying I'm done with reality TV, but I'm definitely setting some boundaries." That desire for boundaries is a new development for Amy, who once shared nearly every facet of her life with the public. It signals a deeper maturity and a sense of personal growth. She's no longer just a reality TV personality, she's a mother, a woman in love, and someone who has endured more than most people realize. Now, as she entertains the idea of bringing another child into the world, she's doing so with thought, fullness and intention. At the heart of Amy's story is resilience. She has faced childhood trauma, struggled with obesity, navigated fame, and survived heartbreak. Yet through it all, she's remained funny, real, and incredibly relatable. The idea of her having another baby is not just news, it's a symbol of hope and new beginnings. It shows that healing is possible, that love can come again, and that dreams, no matter how delayed, are still worth chasing. So what's next for Amy Slayton Halterman? That remains to be seen. Whether or not baby number 3 is in the cards, it's clear that Amy is writing a new chapter in her life, one filled with love, laughter, and the kind of strength that only comes from surviving the storm and choosing to dance in the rain. For now, she's cherishing the small joys, watching her sons grow, enjoying quiet moments with her boyfriend, and embracing a future that looks brighter with each passing day. And as for the fans who have walked this journey with her from day one, Amy hasn't forgotten them. "I love you, Al," she said at the end of her live session. "Thanks for riding with me. We're not done yet." Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.